Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, a lot of people worry about that how we can promoting website or how to promote your business on LinkedIn. So how is helping for LinkedIn? LinkedIn for complete for professionals. They're using complete for professional. So how to use first of all LinkedIn? Suppose you're creating for any kind of channels or any kind of websites. So there is a major important point is called to generating for traffic. To generating for traffic. The first of all, your profile will be managed successfully. That is a very key point to increase your company page followers and your post. First of all, you can creating for company page. So how to create a company page? Already I'm sharing this video on my our channel here. So after creating company page, if you're sharing any kind of content, that is called, you can go to the manage video. No need to play any kind of video. The simple technique I will tell you that in this one, we have to go for content option. Which video you can sharing for here? Just get shareable link. And we have to place will be here. And what are the content you have to share in this? Here will be share and click for post. In this, once you done this post here, the video was placed. So okay, your video will be placed on the LinkedIn company page. So how is increasing for your business lead? So company page only follow for will be only for 2 or 3 or 10 members or 30 members peoples are there, your company page. So how to increase my business lead? How we can promoting my business? In this purpose, they give option is called copy link to post. We have to share on your profile page. We have to share on your profile page. After share on your profile page, you have to common content we have to sharing for in this option. Now click for post. Here two benefits in your profile promoting for company page here, that is called to promote your YouTube content on this option. Not only for YouTube content, we can promoting for website, any kind of options are there. Suppose here I'm selecting for my company page. Some websites are not accepting for any content. We can go for it. So what are the content here? So suppose a link is not accepted, no worry about that. We can adding for image option. Now in this, what is your question? You have to copy this option will be here. After that, you can copy this content, click for post. And major thing is called what are the content you can sharing, that is compulsory you can share for the profile option. Copy link to post and share for your profile. Here two benefits are there. They call two benefits. The first benefit is called what are the content sharing for LinkedIn company page? People watching for through your profile. Through your profile. And second thing is called they increase your followers and your profile visit. That is mean by increase your connections and your profile visit and your increase your company page followers. This method is not only for simple technique. There's a lot of technique will be here to promote the every content. Next one, write a article. In this article, we have to promote it will be here. So what are the content you can sharing in this? Select here. So we have to using for images or videos. We can sharing for any kind of things here. So we can go for it. So in this, I can add by image, everything here. So here, and what are the content will be in this? So we can using for this content where you can place for in this option. So here, after that, What you can posting for publish method, same keyword we can give is, and we have to posting on your profile by using option will be here in this hashtag. And always remember guys, your profile is guru for increasing the viewerships. So that is the purpose. Your profile, what are the content you're sharing that increase the connections, that mean by increase your business leads and increase your particular option will be given by the in this option by the profile. So that is called what are the content you can sharing article or any company page we have to share on the LinkedIn profile. And very important thing is called you have to maintain the groups. The groups are very important. The groups are very important. If you work here, these all will be groups here. The groups will be two types. One is called your own groups, or you can join it for existing groups. How will be sharing? The simple method I tell you here. If you go this option in this, here these are all your company pages. Here they will show in for group member. In this group, we have a lot of groups are here. You can see now save in this capture image. So we can use it. Here is a option. So we can use this option and the promoting for particular group. Which group is the promoting? In this particular group will be promote. The group, how many members are there? You can check the particular groups here. So in this, here is the group. Group will be check. So what are the group you are posting in this? Check for groups. Here 48,430 members are there in this group and share the content. Here is just now, but I'm sharing through profile, but is visible by the your particular groups. How to join a group? Just you can searching for SEO. Here they're showing for certain categories. In this category, you're selecting for groups. Here groups are two things, guys. One is called you can joining for existing group or you can creating for any kind of groups. Now here you can go to the fifth page. Just here is the open the group. When you open the group, they're showing for option is called request to join. When request is accepted, you are member of this group. Same like that, lot of groups will be here. What is the group purpose? You have to share your knowledge and your business. They interested, they click your website. These all nothing but that is all will be belongs to for related categories. So what are the promotion you can done by your page? As you can follow by Digital Rakesh channel. So any kind of doubts and any kind of profile you maintain that all will be based on your page. So don't forget the page. The page will be worthable and you can share content anything will be through page. There's a more people will be watch. The benefit is called profile connection will be increased. Second thing will be LinkedIn company page followers are increased depend on your only for LinkedIn profile. So how will be LinkedIn profile will be increased? The based on the photo, video and job, write a article. If you share any kind of photos here, simple technique, copy this, done. Here click here and one more option is called here we can sharing for before any kind of options you can selecting for particular page and particular group and click for post. You can sharing for particular profile also and particular page also. Most of the important key point to promote business, we have to share content LinkedIn company page to profile. That is don't forget it. What are the content you can share? First of all, share on page and after that don't forget to you can add your hashtags after click for create. After click create, simple technique, copy the link post. We can post on your profile. When posting time, we can selecting for number of pages. but we are selecting only for profile. Why? Because my content will be watching for my profile persons. What is the benefit of? They increase in my profile connections, my company page followers, and increase for my business leads and YouTube subscribers also. So when people will be click in this option will be here, they click in this option, definitely they go to my YouTube channel, they watch. If is a new people will be here in this the option. So this is a method we have to follow the option to increase your business on the LinkedIn option. So which is a very important. Your profile will be built perfect. That will be built on your LinkedIn company page followers and they increase your business leads and YouTube subscribers. This all belongs to generating leads and to generating for traffic for website views for YouTube channel. This all we have to do on the through LinkedIn company page to your profile. So which is the first preference? Profile is the first preference. Second will be LinkedIn company page. How is increase your profile connections? Based on your sharing photos, videos, write articles. The people like your article and way of explanation. Definitely they will approach. They connect your connections will be increased on your profile. The based on the increase your LinkedIn company page connections. That mean by followers will be increased, and the based on the increase your website traffic and YouTube views and subscribers. Follow these instructions and increase your business leads and particular video traffic. If any guys, if any channel will be problem for your LinkedIn, ask me in the comment box. I definitely will be support. If any further request, can mail me. I definitely will be support for how we can configure LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn company page. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.